room's full of lawyers, and Alex sees me, and he comes across, and he gets up close in my face and says, "Hey, Bo, what's this I'm hearing about what you're saying? I thought we were friends." And I replied, "Alex, we are friends. If you don't think I can burn your house down and that I'm not doing everything and I'm not going to do everything, you're wrong. You need to settle this case."
Okay. And so what was the point of that conversation? What was, if you can explain to the court what y'all were talking about, what is Alex upset to as you understood it?
That he was going to have to pay was what he was hearing. That's what it was. That's what the point of it was. We're friends. I took it as he tried to intimidate me. He didn't intimidate me and sort of bully me into backing off.
What a moment in the Alex Murdaugh double murder case. That was Mark Tinsley, an attorney representing the family of Mallory Beach, who was the victim in that boat crash, which really set off that whole series of events that I believe led to the double murder. But there is a lawsuit involving that boat crash that is still happening. Alex Murdaugh is one of the defendants. I want to bring in a special guest joining us now in Allendale, South Carolina. You just saw him there, the attorney representing the family of Mallory Beach. Mark Tinsley is back with us. Mark, great to see you. Let's start.
Good to see you.
Great to see you. So how important in this trial is it for the truth to come out? Because to me, every time I learned and learned more about what was happening down there in the Low Country, it always comes back to the boat crash, the boat crash, the boat crash. From your perspective, though, how important is it for the truth to come out inside that courtroom?
Well, you know, I mean, it's our stock in trade when you're the one prosecuting the claim. I mean, everything has to be true. Everything has to ring true. True. And the question is, am I going to get into all the truths that everybody so desperately wants to hear about? I hope that it doesn't get to that. I hope we don't cover all the truth. I think that's it for some of the other things to come out, but I hope to streamline this case and keep it focused on the things that are relevant.
So the take that we got, all of us who covered the Murdaugh trial, when you testified and the way you testified and the way we saw you inside the courtroom, is that you're a tough litigator. And my understanding is the other side tried to get you tossed from this case. How did that turn out?
I'm sorry, Vinny. The connection's poor here. Middle of nowhere, and you know, I try to do everything I can in the litigation to serve my clients. Oftentimes, when I start talking, my mouth and my brain stop communicating, and so you know, I don't really hold back. I just try to move straight ahead and keep my eye on the prize and keep focused on what I need to be focused on.
And is Mallory's family ready for this trial?
It's been a long time coming. They're as ready as they can be. You know, it's going to be a tough, emotional ordeal for them to go through. But their resolve is steeled and they're ready to go.
And from your perspective, what's been the most difficult part in all of this?
All the noise. You know, it's all the parts that are going on with Parkers and the online trolls and the other, just all the noise. The rest of it, it doesn't make any difference because I think the truth is going to prevail and people are going to see like they've seen so far, right through the lies and the deceit.
So give us all an update. Where exactly are we, and are we on schedule for this summer trial?
August 14th, and we're on trial. Parker's filed some more motions on Friday, and the judge has set them today. I think he's going to hear them either Thursday or Friday of this week.
All right, Mark Tinsley, I know you're busy getting prepared for this big case. We appreciate your time tonight, and we'll see you down in the Low Country.
Thank you, Vinny. All
right, take a look, folks. Trial begins. Mark just confirmed it. August 14th, the Murdaugh boat crash trial, and perhaps an opportunity for Mallory Beach's family to get some sense of justice in all of this that has happened.